Hello everyone, we are back again with some new logic today. So today we are going to discuss how you can remove the columns, null columns dynamically. Okay, null column meaning that column having no value, it is totally blank. Okay, so those column we wanted to remove from our data set. So in this data set, you can see there are some column which is having no value. Okay, it is blank. Okay, so in future also maybe there will be more column added in this data set, and if that column is having blank, if column having no value, that column should be removed from our data set. This is the logic today we are trying to build, okay, in the Power Query yum code. So let us bring this data in the Power Query. Okay, I'm going to click any of the cell and click from table slash range. It will launch the Power Query editor. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, the Power Query has created two steps automatically. One is source and another is change type. So change type we do not want because there are columns hard coded in the query. Okay, so let us remove this one. This steps, we need only the source step. Okay, so in the source step, what you have to do now, you click on the fx button and here you type table dot profile. Okay, table dot profile. So what it will do, it will give you the profile of your table. So you can see here it is giving the profile of your table. Okay, so this is column name, min, max. Here you can see there are so many column added, but in this case we need to consider only two column, count and null count. Okay, this two column. Okay, so here we need to compare this column, these two column, whether both are true or false. Okay, to compare these column we need to go to add column and click on custom column. Okay, and just compare, click count is equal to null count and click OK. So again we can see here another one column has been added, and in this column you can see true or false. So if you select the true, okay, if you select the true, you can see these columns having null value, these columns to be removed. Okay, and if you select false, meaning in this column we have the data set. Okay, we have the total rows 700 counts. Okay, so basically these the column we need. Okay, these is the column we need. Okay, so what you have to do now, you select this column and remove other column. Okay, these are the column, so we need to convert this column into list format. To convert this column into list format, right click on the column and click on drill down. So you can see the column names are converted into list. So let us rename this step as a required columns. Okay, so these the column we need, other column we do not want because other column having null value. Okay, again click on fx and refer the source step, this step, source step. So remove this one and type here source is equal to source. Now we got the source step, and in this case let us select any two or three column. Okay, and right click on this and remove other column. Okay, so it will give you the syntax where you can input this required column query here. Okay, so here table that select rows, select columns, it is the previous step, and this is the column name which is given in the list format. Okay, so we have converted already the columns that we need into list format to. So now what you have to do, you remove this one and input this required column here. Okay, required columns and click OK. So as you can see here, as you can see here, the null column is gone. Okay, now what you have to do, you click on close and load to, and click on OK. So you can see here we have the data which is having all the data in the column, the null column has been removed. Okay, so in future let's say there are some more column added. Okay, let's say region. Okay, and here we have some value, let us put some value here in this region column. Okay, I'm going to put something here, and here I will add one more column, new. Okay, and now click here and right click refresh. So you can see here the reason column having one data, one tax here, so this column added, but the blank column which is having null value, that is removed. Okay, so this is the logic today I wanted to show you guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. I'll post new videos related to Power Query, Power BI, Excel, VBA, macros, and so on. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time.